The importance of an organizational structure when delivering projects. When starting a new job or project, it is very important as a project manager or business analyst to have a good idea of how an organization or business operates. This helps navigate the internal and external ways of the business and understand how it affects the customer base. As organizations grow or change, there is a high chance that there will be more growth, responsibility, and opportunities, but the business can easily become chaotic if not properly structured. Organizational charts are vital for the following reasons. It helps project managers and business analysts understand the different functions throughout the business, the team, and team members. It is very important to understand who needs to be involved or the appropriate audience when it comes to sharing information for projects or initiatives. There is always room for improvement. Knowing your industry and business is very beneficial in so many ways. It helps boost productivity and performance. By understanding the organization and its structure, the project manager and business analyst will know exactly who to go to for tasks and get tasks done, instead of going around in circles. It allows you to network outside your team and gain relationships. Remember, your network is your net. In a perfect world, everyone has a role and numerous responsibilities, and they are obligated to make sure they uphold their responsibility no matter what. Exposure is key to taking advantage of new opportunities and gaining new insights of what is going on in the organization. If you constantly perform to your greatest height and continue to have a great reputation across the organization, people will come to you for input and new opportunities. Putting the pieces together. During the initiation stage of a project, after getting the project charter approved, it is the job of the project manager and/or business analyst to identify the stakeholders and determine their expectations, influence, and impact of the project. In order to know the major and minor stakeholders, you must understand the structure, culture, existing systems, and project management processes of the company. The following are just a few pointers. Understand the problem that needs to be solved. This is very important because it provides an opportunity to understand the current state and the people who are involved in the current process that needs to change. By understanding the current state and pain points, you automatically get buy-in from the end users, and it is perceived as if you are intrigued and determined to be solving the problem. Ask your business sponsor and/or champion. Most of the time, the business sponsor champion will let you know the details of the problem and a project that no one else will know or share, including the stakeholders who need to be involved. As you list these different stakeholders, try to understand their current role and responsibilities and how they fit into the current business problems that need to be resolved. After gathering your initial list of stakeholders, sit down with your manager and review the list to get feedback. This is very important to fill any gaps. Your manager is in that position for a reason, so use them for your benefit. There are always opportunities for improvement. Two of the greatest traits that a project manager or business analyst should have is being inquisitive and innovative by looking at how things are currently done and can be improved. As you get a better understanding of the organization, the roles and responsibilities of all teams and their team members, ask questions. Why is the person doing this task? Why is the person doing the task this way? Is there an easier way to get the same output? As project managers and business analysts, it is our sole responsibility to create value, efficiency, and productivity throughout the entire organization. Sum it up. Organization structure is necessary in order to complete projects successfully. The project manager must determine company culture and existing systems. Existing systems include an organizational chart where you must understand the roles and responsibilities for every team and team member. For business analysts, in order to conduct a successful strategy analysis, they must have the organization chart as part of understanding the current state. If there is no order, there is chaos, and this applies to projects or initiatives, which create tons of value.